Okay, you guys are just gonna have to trust me and go with the Pro on this one. We're unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Go with the Pro. Get it? It's fun. So yes, unboxing a Hero 7 Black. The reason for that is because one of my other action cameras broke. Not the one I'm recording this one on, because the one I'm recording this on happens to be a GoPro. An old Hero Session, and that hasn't died yet, so that's good. So yeah, we're going to unbox this. Let's figure out how to open it. Aha! There's a thing about the bottom will open up. Very different from unboxing the Hero Session, because I pulled this bit off, I believe, not opening it up like that. So there we go, that's the box. That is the camera. Bam, bam, bam. Stock image. Bam. So, what we get in this nice wee box is an empty space. Kidding. We get the camera. Its battery. Smaller battery than I thought it'd be. Ooh, charging cable. It's Type-C. Yes! I like Type-C mainly because I got a Google Pixel, so that's kind of my thing. Got some more sticky mounts, one I can attach to a helmet or a surfboard or something, not that I surf. What else do we have? I said there's a little booklet. So I opened it the wrong way. Meant to open it this way. I'm just gonna leave that like that. We're gonna pretend it's a wrist mount. So what we got is this little thing telling you how to we're telling you to get GoPro Plus for damage protection and stuff, but also telling you how to mount shit, like how to put it into the also to download the GoPro app, how to put it into its cover thing, and how to charge it, I assume, or connect it to the computer. Also how to put the battery in. I didn't notice that before. Then we get some more stickers. I got GoPro stickers on the last one. I might put one of these over top the other one on my laptop, because I think it's smaller. I like the look of these ones better. Then we got the important product and safety information. Don't do anything stupid while you're filming. Is the instructions I would give. Okay. So let's take this off. And let's have a wee play with this. So it also comes with a clip. The mount clip thing. Yay! So yes, let's take it out of the casing. Let's refer back to the instructions. Step 1. Flip this backwards. There we go. Flip that down. Then it should just come out. There she. Very tight fits. That's good. Means it'll stay in there. And somehow get rid of the stock sticker without damaging anything. Oh, I'm not sure if you heard that, but that sounded great. And we flip it upside down, push the button and slide across. Now that opens your battery bay. That's cool. Don't have to do that with the Hero Session. The battery's built in, like a lot of the... I think the old GoPros were built in. Oops. So let's... SD card also goes in there. Good to know, good to know. I left it over there, that's poor planning. Let's just stick the battery in and see what happens. Oh, little light flashed. It's a good sign. Let's see what happens when we hit the button. Oh, that's my hand. Hi. Ooh, GoPro. Not sure if you can see that. Saying GoPro. Oh, setting up the language stuff. Yes, for English. Legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agreed to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal. Yes, captures the location where your videos and photos were taken. Good to remember. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. You're going to skip that step. It is the... when is it? Explore your new GoPro. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know how to use your camera. And ignore the face. Ooh! It's got no SD and the battery's running flat. You can tell when you change it. Like, look at that. Look at me. And look at that. It changes. Haha! That is awesome. Does it do it upside down too? It does! That is awesome. Okay. Cool, so as you can see, we've changed our areas, well, not areas, scene. That is because we are comparing the current GoPro that I had, the Hero Session, I think the original Session, so the Session 4, against the Hero 7 Black. Now, some may think that that's not a comparable comparison because the 7's so new compared to the 4, but hey, it's the only GoPro I have, so we're going to use it, and they're on similar settings. Like the Hero 7's on linear 1080p 30, and this is on medium 1080p 30. So yeah, and the first video you saw, that was me in the car going the reverse of where I actually am now. I'm just on my way back home, and that was a test for two things. To see the comparison between the two GoPros, but also to see how the suspension is now, because this car was recently in the mechanics getting its control arms and lower ball joint replaced. So it was to see if it still squeaked, which I haven't heard a squeak yet, so I'm happy. That leads me to believe that it's not. Cool, so that is it for the GoPro unboxing. I have now transitioned over to the Hero 7 Black because, as I noticed when, and you may have noticed too, when I did the actual footage of the two GoPros in the car, the Hero 7 Black actually picked up my voice a lot better, so I don't have to talk as loud. So any like vlogs and video intros where I'm out and about, or if we do an IAC in another castle video intro, we'll do it on this because we don't have to talk as loud. And yeah, if you notice as well, in the driving part of it, where I had the stabilization mode on, it was the one where I had it on the back of the car, it'd actually move it slightly, so I think that when it happens, it records in a slightly higher resolution so that it's got that extra breathing room to anticipate, which I think is kind of cool. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a like. It'll let me know that I need to do more unboxings like this. And yeah, subscribe. It's the best way to stay up to date on the content coming from the, I was about to say Ninja McCone, but I meant Bailey McCone channel. That shovel's really bright, so I'm stepping forward slightly. And yeah, never ever regret yourself. Just have fun.